we're standing in the main part of the collection, which includes the pinned insect specimens. We have about 7 million specimens in our collection. This makes us about the 10th largest insect collection in the country. So we're constantly adding to the collection. We've been building this collection for the past 150 years. We do a lot of research on the specimens in the collection, and we also process loans for other researchers that use our collection as well. The main point of our InvertNet project is to digitize all the material in our collection as well as in 22 other insect collections throughout the Midwest. The collection itself is very fragile, and we don't allow access to the general public because the specimens are essentially irreplaceable. We're not like a regular museum where you can actually go in and browse through all the materials that they have, and we grant access to people who are credentialed researchers, not just the general public. So the InvertNet project will actually change that access for basically anyone to be able to see what we have in our collection. Once we start this project, we're basically intending to digitize this entire drawer and all of these drawers. Not just present a picture of the drawer on the website, but actually do a 3D reconstruction where it would be almost like if you were standing here like I am holding the drawer, and then you needed to see something on the label underneath the specimen, you could then tilt the drawer like this virtually and be able to sort of peek underneath the specimen and see what's on that label. And what that means is we're going to grab a high-resolution digital image of each drawer, which may contain anywhere from 100 to a couple thousand specimens. This is extremely important because this is the only place where you can get this information right now. And so as you imagine, it's very difficult for a researcher at a different institution to actually get information from our collection. The only way to do that now is to actually come here and visit the collection, or write to us and say, I want to borrow all your specimens of species X, and then we have to box them up and send them to you. So this project will actually facilitate research. My students, actually postdoctoral fellow Jamie Zahniser, and PhD students into Krishnakutty, they use the collection on a daily basis for their research.
I guess my main motivation is exploring biodiversity. I love looking at the leafhoppers that I work on, and just amazed at their diversity.
So these are some of the butterflies from India and Sri Lanka. They belong to family Papilionidae. We have papilionids in United States of America too. And this is one of the biggest butterflies in India. They are really colorful when they are alive, really bright yellow, and they can be as big as a small bird. When they fly, you will think, oh, that's a bird actually. This is my favorite one actually. This is the first butterfly I drew, so I thought I should show it.